so you've just reached your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of total time. Now is the right time to get into the YouTube Partner Program and monetize your channel to make money on YouTube. But this whole process can take some time. So how about I tell you that you can already start earning money even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers yet? Sound good? I know it does for me. For example, you can build your own business related to what you offer on your channel. Some creators follow this strategy. For example, they use their YouTube platform to build their planned business outside of YouTube. In this step, you're usually not concerned with gaining subscribers or likes for your channel and for your videos. Your main goal is to interest people in a certain niche and get them to subscribe to your channel or learn about your business. But what exactly can you do to spice up your channel and earn more than what YouTube has to offer, even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers yet? It's like you're marketing your business through YouTube videos, and your real goal is to grow and expand your real business. You also have the benefit of growing your channel, which will open up additional revenue streams for you in the future. Who knows if your original business or your channel will be the one that puts thousands of dollars in your pocket? Or maybe even both. The way to get there is to place your CTA, or call to action, well. A CTA is a line, phrase, or sentence that prompts people to take a specific action, depending on what they're intended to do. Many aspiring YouTubers find it very difficult to grow their channel and make their content go viral in the first few months, or even the first year after joining the platform. I'm not gonna lie, it's really not an easy process. On average, it takes up to a year to monetize a regular channel. One of the more complicated parts to accept in the YouTube industry is the fact that your first payout won't be what you expect. Let's say your goal in creating YouTube videos is to get people to subscribe to your business mailing list. In this case, you can include an appropriate CTA at the beginning or end of your video. In the beginning, it's good to offer your viewers something that'll be useful for them. Give them free stuff or trial offers so they can learn more about your business and experience what you have to offer for them. Give out free samples of your product and let them try it out. Offer free learning materials for something you're passionate about so they can vouch that you're knowledgeable about what you can teach them. Offer a free trial for something you offer and let them get first-hand experience. For all these offers, all you need is your contact information, such as your email address. That way, they get a free quote from you before they even use your product or service, and you get more leads for your business in return. You can then add them to your weekly or monthly newsletter, which includes more descriptions of your business. More leads mean more potential buyers, which leads to more potential revenue than if you just wait for your channel to monetize. What would be the content of your CTA, you might ask? Its contents should be in line with what you're trying to offer. A product or a service, something that's related to your niche and current video. If you want to make money with this kind of strategy without waiting for your channel to become a channel with 1 million subscribers, the first and most important goal here is to educate your audience. If you want to retain them, your goal isn't to have long-term subscribers who keep coming back to your channel, but to get long-term customers. You could use your YouTube platform to find your leads or potential customers for your business. Those who are interested in what you have to offer will eventually search YouTube for questions and answers, which is one way you can attract them. Post informative videos where people can learn more about your field and specialization. These niches are usually not the ones that most creators would often choose. You need to think about what questions people might have related to your niche. For example, if you offer online coaching on LinkedIn marketing, you should post videos that address the specifics of LinkedIn. In the first few months of monetization, it's pure luck if you get at least $100 in your account from your ad revenue. Unless you've reached a big achievement or milestone on your channel, such as 100,000 or even 1 million views. Even though this all takes some time, I'm pretty sure that with the right attitude and patience, it'll pay off in the end. Imagine starting at the bottom, earning less than $100 and making it to the top, earning $1,000 a week. Of course, you're not going to achieve that with a single video alone. Even if a single video of yours gets up to 100,000 views, you won't get leads from YouTube unless you can prove that your business is worth their time. So, build your channel. Even if it's not your main source of revenue in this method, your future customers will rely on your channel's content before they even think about doing business with you. Upload valuable videos regularly. Regularly feed your viewers content they don't even think they need. It'll keep them coming back for more. And if you can get them looking for more, you've taken the first step toward converting YouTube viewers into business customers. Has this video done anything for you so far? If so, hit the subscribe button for more informative videos like this one. Make sure you've got your notifications turned on too, so you'll always receive the latest updates from MadMoneyMax. Now, you might be asking yourself, how can I make money using this method? The simple answer is that you need to have a career already started beforehand. This is especially beneficial for other professionals out there who want to grow their business and to seek more clients or customers. What kind of business is this method suitable for? Well, almost anything. Whether you're a life coach or other type of coach, a makeup guru, someone with a skincare line, an educator, a technician, even a chef can do this. You need to make them aware of your business and get them to do business with you. This way, you won't just get what you can get with YouTube. You'll learn at least double or triple. Remember what CPM is? It's the cost per mil, or the scale and rate of how much you'll get paid per 1,000 views. Imagine if your video only got a maximum of 5 CPM. That means that for every 1,000 views across your channel's videos, you get paid $5. Surely, this will still lead you to better earnings sooner or later, but if you don't want to wait all year to get great results, a side business with your YouTube channel is just what you need. Offer your products and services to anyone who might need them. Comparing the single or double-digit earnings you make with 1,000 views on YouTube can easily be converted to $1,000 in a week from your business income. If you use this method, you shouldn't underestimate the power of YouTube, because it offers you the best opportunity to grow online and make money easily. With just a few clicks and a little effort in producing videos, you can earn a living. Also, today I'm going to introduce you to an alternative and faster way to make money while you wait for your channel to be approved for the YouTube affiliate program. Monetizing your channel through the YouTube Partner Program takes a while. It takes the necessary knowledge to realize the full potential of your channel. Are you interested to learn more? Then check out my full course in making money through YouTube, which will take you from zero knowledge to a skillful, high-earning YouTube creator in no time. MadMoneyMax's course provides thorough, step-by-step lessons, from creating your channel to choosing the best niche for you, boosting your channel with visual graphics, marketing your content, and so much more. So click on the link in the description below to find out more. And now that you have a better idea of how you can potentially make $1,000 per week, it's time you start to learn the best 6 ways to monetize your YouTube channel without relying solely on Google AdSense. Interested yet? Then check out this video here to learn more. I hope you got a ton of value from this video, and I hope I'll see you soon. Goodbye.